Hi, my name is Robert Szczepański and I would like to introduce my system. Thanks to my system, you will be able to create a website. The system was written in Laravel and ReactJS in the administration area. In this video, I will show you how to install this system and run unit test. So, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to clone the data. Now we run the installation script. This script contains all of the command that I wrote here. Including a database installation, installing Laravel and its dependencies. We also create a system administrator where login and password are shown here. Here, sorry. After installing it, we can see the web page. The status of this page is 404. It means that the page was not found. This is expected behavior because all of the pages should be added in the administration area. You can enter to the administration panel using the login and the password provided during the installation process. Another thing I wanted to show you is how to run unit test. The GitHub page describes how to do it. The, the first thing to do is to install the database for unit test. This is this command. Then we create a configuration file for the unit test. And now we can run unit test. On this occasion, I would like to tell you that unit tests are very important because later it is easier to change the code. Also, the code quality is better when unit tests are written. There are currently 122 of them. This is the end of this recording. In the next video, I will show you how to manage this system, and I will create a simple web page and load some sample data. Thank you very much for your attention and for your time. If you have any questions or doubts, please contact me using the contact form on my website. Thank you again. Bye.